Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is something that I had curated for my own COVID recovery to fight that COVID fatigue, and it has worked really well for me, and I hope it works for you as well. It's super healthy as well as super tasty. So yeah, let's get started. So in an iron pan, I've taken 2 cups of ragi flour. Ragi flour is high in protein, great for anemics, and it's rich in minerals. It's gluten free. I've also added some desiccated coconut, as you can see, and we are going to dry roast all this until fragrant. Now I'm also going to use this Fast&Up protein powder. You can use any protein powder, but then I'm using this as I really like this product and I like the ingredient list as well. It's great for your skin and it's great for your immunity as well. It has a blend of herbs as well, like Ashwagandha, Tulsi, turmeric, all these things. I really like the ingredient list. That is why I'm using this. So now I've added 2 spoons full of protein powder into it, and we'll just keep it aside. So in the same pan, I'm adding 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. So basically I don't like to add too much ghee. Now I'm adding in all the dry fruits. So these are dry fruits of my choice. You can use dry fruits of your choice, maybe add walnuts also. So now I'm gonna ghee roast them until they are golden brown, and then we are going to add in our dry roasted flour with the desiccated coconut. So the reason that we have already added coconut, which is a good fat, so that is the reason I didn't want to add too much ghee, and that is the reason why I dry roasted the flour in the first place, so that the rawness is gone. Now adding in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, which I'd forgotten to add earlier. Now I'm just quickly gonna make a jaggery syrup. So I've taken 1 cup of jaggery and 2 cups of water, and we are going to boil it for 7 to 10 minutes on medium flame. And then we are going to add it to our dry ingredients, and we are going to mix it. And once it cools down a little, then I'm going to transfer it to a tray lined with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, use a thali or anything. Just grease it with some ghee, and then do the same process. Now I'm going to quickly level it up. Now if you must have seen our post-COVID recovery plan given by government, as in the meals that they have suggested, they have told you to use dry fruits, ragi flour, and all these things, ghee, jaggery, all these things are there in this burfi. It's highly nutritious and it has really helped me in my recovery. I'm just adding in some pumpkin seeds now. Then I'll add some sesame seeds and some muskmelon seeds. These seeds are highly nutritious and they are a great way to amp up your nutrition, and they add some nuttiness as well. Also great for decoration. And ragi is basically very good for your health, and it's very cool and calming for you in summers. So and great for anemics as well. Like I suffer from this problem of low iron, as in low hemoglobin. Now I'm gonna quickly set it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we are going to cut it into pieces. Cut it into shape of your choice. This is a great option for people looking for healthy bars. Generally we have also added protein powder extra, besides ragi being high in protein, high in minerals, high in calcium, and basically very good for you to lower down that cholesterol. Moreover, these are extremely tasty as well. You are going to definitely love them, I'm pretty sure. So please do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And please store them in the refrigerator after they are made, so they can be like good for up to 7 to 10 days. So, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to finish it before that. So yeah, let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.